No one will ever listen to me. The lighting is not good. My feet hurt. I'm just too fat. I don't look good on camera. Who am I to give advice to people? What will people think of me? Believe me, YouTube is very easy. So these are some of the internal dialogue we have with ourselves. These statements actually hold ourselves back big time in achieving anything new, in trying anything new. And in this particular case, starting a YouTube channel, starting your content creation adventure. So in this video, I just want to give you like a few actionable tips for you to increase your confidence and get over that fear. So without further ado, let's jump right in, guys. Welcome to this channel. For those who don't know me and those who know me already, I'm Steph, aka the Global Hobo. On this channel, I talk about everything regarding the expat life, specifically in Indonesia, where I currently live, sometimes in Malaysia, you can see my previous video for that, and other places in the world. You see, what you've just heard before, these statements are the internal dialogue that holds ourselves back from starting anything new, getting over the fear of starting a YouTube channel or your content creation adventure. Because guys, this is very easy. This is very simple. We make it complicated by overthinking or by having expectations about the outcome, but this is very simple in theory. YouTube is very simple. You actually press record, you speak, you film, press stop, edit, upload, job done. Okay, well, not so quick, not so easy, I hear you say. And actually, you're right. I mean, there's way more to that, to the process. Now, why would you start content creation adventure on YouTube? It's a legitimate question, you know. There's so many reasons, guys. Business networking, or if you want to improve your life and start a business, a personal brand, a commercial brand, an e-commerce business like mine, if you want to check in the link below, or even for general communication. If you want to improve your skills in sales, in persuasion, in negotiation, becoming a better communicator, like be more confident in your workplace, YouTube is a great place to increase your confidence because you are appearing on camera and you're putting yourself out there to the world, which is not an easy thing, but as you keep doing it, you're getting better and better. And what is great with YouTube, it's very easy to start. There's a very low barrier to entry. You only need minimal equipment and you have such a variety of video formats. You can upload vlogs, just filming yourself in the streets and talking, walk and talk, upload that on YouTube, or just a talking head video, streaming yourself while you are gaming or you are cooking or designing your product for whichever product you are creating. You can stream it live and upload it on YouTube. It's a fantastic place to market everything, really. Market yourself, market your product, your services, anything. So I definitely encourage you to start your adventure on YouTube. You will not regret it, but the very first thing is to stop overthinking and jump on the wagon. Take the leap of faith. Simple as that. It's not going to be easy, but you can do it. I'm sure you can. If I can do it, anyone can do it, really. The very first tip I would like to give you is very simple, and I think you probably know it already. Practice daily. By practicing daily, you are building a muscle, like you are increasing your confidence every day on a daily basis. And you only need to start with a smartphone, simple as that. I would advise you to record yourself every day for a minute or two on your smartphone and just talk about any subject that you enjoy, any subject that you love, and talk about it straight for 2 or 1 minute every day. So build up on the momentum. You will get better and better, and as the days go on, you will increase the momentum, and I want you to build up on that. Increase the duration of the video. If you started with 1 minute or 2 minutes, I want you to increase the duration to 3 or 4 minutes. Keep talking, keep rambling about a topic you love so much. And as you get more confident, infuse some emotions to it. Start making jokes on your video. If you have to be sad, be sad. If you have to be a bit more strict and serious on your video, be it. Infuse some emotions. You will be perceived, you will be more relatable to your audience. And the next step, if you want to step it up another notch, you can start to practice outdoors. Get outdoors, go out, create. First, go to some kind of remote places, go in nature, go on a beach, go in a park, in a forest. Start practicing outdoors. First, where there are not many people around, and then step it up another notch. Start vlogging in the street. Start vlogging in places where there are more people around, and focus on yourself, focus on the lens, on your audience right here. Do not focus on the people around you. They do not care. They will maybe stare at you for a second or two, but that's it. Then it's all forgotten. All that matters is your presence. All that matters is your audience, the message you're delivering, and the energy, the tone you are using to deliver this message. Step number 2, it would be very useful to have a ritual when you record. So to have a pre-recording ritual, such as, for example, a breathing exercise, very simple as that. You can focus on your breathing for a set amount of time. It could be 30 seconds or a minute or maybe more. Focus on your breathing and your nervous system will instantly calm down. Then your confidence will rise up and show up immediately. You will come across more trustworthy, more relatable, and look very cool. I mean, another type of ritual you could have that helps me a lot before recording is actually loosen up your body a little bit. Jump around, jump around. Jumping scientifically makes you loosen up and more confident instantly. So if you loosen up, if you jump around, if you do a little dance, you can dance on video like this, you can record yourself dancing. And you see, when I'm doing this, I'm not even thinking about what I'm saying, I'm just naturally flowing to the camera. Or sing if you like singing, or even have a workout, exercise, any type of exercise or body movement before you're actually recording will put your happiness level, will put your serotonin level through the roof, and you will feel so much more energized. Your message will come across much better. Your message, the energy behind your message is what matters a lot. If you apply small rituals like these, like working out, exercising, dancing, moving your body, breathing exercise, you're guaranteed to come across more comfortable and very much more laid back on camera. Step number 3, which will help, I believe, a lot of people and which helped myself a lot, especially for people who feel that they're a little bit introvert, a bit like me. I feel a little bit introvert. After speaking to a friend over the phone, or your family, or coming back from a social event, meeting friends at a restaurant, or just like speaking to your neighbor next door, having a little conversation with your neighbor, you'll feel more energized instantly. And straight after that, you can go and record your YouTube video, record your takes, and you'll look way more in tune and relaxed. Step number 4. I know a lot of YouTube gurus will advise you to actually go on other people's pages, or your favorite YouTuber could be Mr. Beast or any other one like Ali Abdaal, which I enjoy a lot actually, and go and copy their style, copy their thumbnail or anything else. But what I would advise to you is to not copy anyone. You can get some inspiration from any other successful YouTubers, which is great, but do not try to copy their style, their delivery, their message delivery, because if you're not yourself, your content will not be relatable, your message will not be relatable, and people will actually see that you're not authentic. So be yourself. If you have to speak gently and slowly like I do, this is my natural self. I'm like that. I'm very laid back and chill. If you have to do it, do it. If you have to be more like active, if you have to be more fast-paced and shout at the camera, if this is you, do it. But do not try to change yourself because any other YouTubers advise you to do so. Be yourself, be authentic, and you will attract your tribe in no time. People will recognize you for who you are. Remember that we all share the same messages, but we all convey these messages in a different way, with different energies, different swaggers. So anyone can tell the same thing. Your neighbor will be on YouTube and say exactly the same thing as you. The message will be completely different because of the different energy. Simple as that. Step number 5, just keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Don't overcomplicate the process. Stick to bullet points. Prepare your video in advance. Do a little bit of scripting. Write some bullet points. Stick to these. Do not make things complicated. As simple as that. Have fun in the process. And also, gears don't matter at all. I was in the same position as you, like for months, even years. I was overthinking the process, thinking about the gear, like which camera should I use? Should I use a DSLR? Should I use an action cam? Or should I use a smartphone? You can start with this, a smartphone. All you need is something to record yourself and a microphone to be heard. That's all you need, simple as that. You don't need any fancy lenses or cameras to start with. You will get better over time. You will be more keen on better equipment over time as you understand how different equipments work, how different lenses, what they do for the ISO, for the lighting and everything. But for now, don't overcomplicate. Simple equipment work wonders. So as I said, I'm not an expert. I'm only a small content creator just like you, and I've been overthinking the process for months, if not years, before actually taking this leap of faith. But my message to you is I want to tell you that YouTube is actually very simple, easy. The more you do it, the more you get better. I know it sounds cliche, but it's very simple. And the rewards will be plenty. Do not think about any financial rewards yet. Keep it simple, keep it fun, have fun in the process, And once you get better, even at the beginning, you will get a sense of achievement. You will get a sense of pride. You will feel very proud of your achievement. Just for that reason, I think it's a fantastic reason for you to start and to get over the fear of starting a YouTube channel. Remember guys, keep it simple, have fun, keep moving. We only make it hard because of our expectations. Just have fun and see where it takes you. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it will give you a little bit of motivation to get over this fear and starting, because we overthink things a lot. I know I've been there. I understand you, but we overthink, and taking action is more important, because if you're holding yourself back because of that fear, you will regret it guys. And believe me, the rewards at the other side of your fear are just plentiful and amazing. Just for that reason guys, I want you to go out and create content. Enjoy, have fun in the process, and I see you in the next video. Peace.